Hi, this is Tara Love Diva bringing you my video diary this morning. I just finished my makeup, which is very light, just the brown colors today. And my hair is pinned up because I didn't get dressed yet. So I took the flexi rods out the front and just pin rolled it up. It's pretty much simple, just pin roll it and it'll come down for the look that I'm going to have today, which is simple because it's Monday and I'm not really doing much of anything, so it's just going to be pushed to the side with a pair of jeans on. So hopefully by this afternoon I'll do another video of what I have on for today, my casual day. So this is pretty much it. This is me. Thank you for tuning in and watching. This is Tara Love Diva. You can hit me up on taralovediva@gmail.com, or you can YouTube me. Have a good day. Smooches.